Hey friends, it's Lori with Farmhouse Stencil Shop. Let's make a quick, cute, primitive project. I have this jar from Aldi and I like it because the lid is wider so I can easily grunge it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the burnt umber shade and just give it 2 coats of paint. Once that is dry, you're going to want to grab some Mod Podge and some cinnamon. So what I'm doing is taking some Mod Podge and some cinnamon and just covering the lid now. And yes, I do have a big container of cinnamon here for my grunge. This part is a little messy and sometimes it takes 1 or 2 coats and then you dry in between each coat. So this is what it looks like when it's dry. It just gives it a nice old look, kind of like a rusty lid. I have this bag of rag balls that I had actually picked up at a yard sale. So I'm just going to use some of the ones I already have and I'm going to fill up my jar. So simple. Now if you don't have little rag balls, you can use different things like the styrofoam balls or even ping pong balls and cover them. I'm taking a little wooden tag. I found these little wooden tags on Amazon. They are actually about 2 inches. I'm going to paint it with some Waverly Hazelnut paint. Then I'm going to stencil with the black Americano Deco Art paint. I have this little cute stencil that says rag balls. So I'm going to stencil that on my tag. And then after I'm finished with that, I'm going to go back with a fine tip brush and cross all my bridges. Once I'm done crossing all my bridges, I'm going to use my sander and sand around the edges, and then I'm going to take some dark sealing wax and go around the edges as well and grunging my tag up. The dark sealing wax works wonders for just a little extra bit of grunge and to make your project have that touch of an antique look. So I've torn off a piece of coffee stained fabric that I have, and I'm going to use that for a bow. I've attached a little bit of jute to be able to easily hang my tag onto the bow. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to dovetail the ends of the fabric just to give it a nice little touch. And then I'm going to finish it off with a cute primitive wooden heart. And that is it. I hope that you've enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching.